In this tutorial I will show you how to create Snowflake in Illustrator. Create new document. Select Rectangle tool. Go to Properties and keep Fill to black. Make a black background. Go to Layers. Lock Rectangle layer. Select Star tool. Left-click and follow the settings. Select Selection. Hold Alt and Shift key, drag to resize star. Go to Properties. Keep Fill to white color and Stroke to none. Go to Effect. Select Distort and Transform, then Zigzag. Follow settings. Rotate it. That's it. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.